And we need to do the same thing like we have done here inside the register. Let's move to the Fortify service provider. We have the register view. We need also the login. I think it's the same. Let's copy from here and paste here and change from register to login view. We need login view, and here we use login. Okay, save. Now we need the login view. Let's move down. We have the register. Let's copy and paste. So here this copy, let's rename it to login.blade.php, and let's change it here to login. Here to login. What else we have? We have name, so the name we don't need it. We need only the email and password. What else we have here? We have email, we have password, and we don't have, or we don't need confirm for the password. Here, let's change it to login. Save. Let's go back, move to the login page. Here we have the login. Let's try, let's add an email that doesn't exist. And password and login. These credentials do not match our records. Let's use the email that we have registered before, and let's see, now we are logged in successfully. Let's log out and let's handle the forgot password if the user has forgotten the password. Okay, let's move to the docs here and let's find, I think here is the password reset. So we have the Fortify request password reset link view, and we need this view which is forgot password. Let's copy from here and paste inside our Fortify service provider, and we need the same thing for the resetting password. We have the reset password view. So this one will only send link so the user can follow the link to update his password. And here we will display the form so the user can update his password. Let's copy and paste here, and we need this reset password. Reset password form that takes the request as param. Okay, let's start with forgot password. Let's copy from here and paste. Let's move to our auth. Here we need to paste it and use blade.php, and we need the same thing for the other one, which is this one, reset password. So not inside the provider, but inside the auth folder. Now we have these two files. Let's start with the first one, which is the reset password. So here we will have the reset password form. So I think here inside passwords we have the reset, this one. So this one is for resetting the password. Let's copy. Here we have the reset password. Let's paste it here, and that's all. Okay, now we need this forgot password, and I think it's this one, which is the email. So here we send, we have the form that sends the reset link to the user. Let's copy from here and paste here. Okay, now we are done. Okay, let's move to our browser. So here let's move to the login page and the registration. So we need to add, let's add footer here. If the user is already registered, we redirect him to the login page, and same thing, if he doesn't have an account, we We redirect him to the registration page. Let's start with the register. Let's see, here we have the register. Let's find, so here is the card body. Let's find here, or let's add div and add the card footer and bg white and also the flex, where is it, the end flex, and we need also the flex column. Inside, where is column? So we need here column, and inside what we need to do, inside, as I told you, we add a link, we give it the class text dark, and we tell our user, so let's add first the route here, which is the login, and we tell our user already have an account, and here we add login. Okay, let's remove space, save, let's refresh. Here is our link. So if we click here, we arrow directs to the login page. Now we need to do the same thing for the login. Let's copy from here. Let's close this file. And let's move to the login. Let's find that closing tag of the card body. Paste here. Let's check, or let's change to register. And here, let's change the message to don't have an account. Let's change it to don't have an account. Register. Save. Let's go back, refresh. Click on the link, we arrow directs it to the register, and here we arrow directs it to the login. Let's add another one, as I told you, this one, if the user forgot the password. So here, forgot your password, and here we need the route, which is, I think, let's display the routes PHP artisan route list, and see what we have here. Let's find the password. So here the password, I think this is a get, but this one, so to get, we need, I think, the password forgot. Where is the password forgot here? So here we have this one, password forgot password. Okay, let's copy, but I think this one will display only, so the password request will display only the form. Let's paste it here and save. Let's refresh and see if it is working or not. Let's click on forgot password, and here we have our form, which is the reset. This one forgets password. Let's add here margin top and bottom of 5, and same thing, let's add here h4 with margin top of 2, and paste here, save. Let's go back, refresh the page. Reset password. We can make here the text center if you want. Go back, refresh, and now it's better. We need to provide an email, and we send, so we send the password, so we can't find password reset link, so you can't find the user with that email address. Now to send email, we need to use the mail trap, and you need to register a new account, and once you are registered, you have here the sandbox, the demo inbox. Click on the link, and here you have how to use this or the credentials to use the mail trap. So in our case, we will use PHP and we will use Laravel 13. So use Laravel 9 plus, which means 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and copy from here. And please use your own username and password. Okay, don't use mine because I will receive your email. Okay, so use your own to receive the email. So here we have in file. Let's move down. We have here this mail. Let's remove it and paste. Okay. So here we have credentials, and as I told you, use your own credentials. Let's move back. So I think that's the user that we have registered is this one. Let's send the password reset link. And as you can see, we have here success message. We have emailed your password reset link. Let's move. As you can see, we have the reset password. Let's copy this link from here and paste it here. And we will be redirected to the reset password form that we have added, but I think it's taking a long time, which means that we have something wrong. So as you can see here, undefined variable token, which is the token that we have here. So this is the token, this one that we have here. So let's move to our resets password. So here we have, let's first add the margin top and the bottom of 5. Let's do the same thing, each for margin top of 2. Paste here, text to the center. And as I told you, we need here to fix this problem. So it's easy. You can use the request and the request, or you can use the request that we have sent from here. Here we are sending the request as param. Instead of using the request, we can use the variable that we have sent, which is the request, and the request has the token. Okay, so we can use it to get the token from here. Let's refresh the page, and now as you can see, we have the reset password. Let's provide an invalid email and password. We can't find user with that email address. Let's use this email. Let's use the email as the password and reset the password. And we are done. Okay, let's use it now to log in and see. And we are logged in successfully. Okay. Now we need to move to the upload. We need here, when we click here on the upload link, we need to display the upload form with this link that we have here, and we upload the invoices and we extract the text and we store it inside our invoices table. Okay, let's do that now.